talk about LumaFusion. So LumaFusion is an editing app that you can download on the App Store right now. And honestly, it is one of the best, if not the best, editing app that you can download. And the first reason why is that it allows you to edit videos on your phone. I mean, usually when you think about editing, you think about getting a computer or a laptop. But LumaFusion allows you to do all of that editing on a phone. And it does it so well that it seems like, you've been doing this for years or something. And that's why I like LumaFusion. It allows you to fit all your creativity on a phone. The second reason why I love LumaFusion is that it's easy to use. And it's so easy to use, in fact, that, a student like me, who's still a beginner, can use it and create quality videos. And you don't have to be a professional. You could just be like me, a student, or you could be someone who works for a company and wants to make videos for them, or some type of student that does projects often, and video projects especially. You can use LumaFusion. It's really easy to use, and in some situation, if somehow you don't really understand how to use it, I mean, there are tons of tutorials. You can use this app for filmmaking, for making a video. I mean, anything, YouTube video, it does not matter. This app is so good, and it provides people with a chance to put their creativity, in a video and to share it. And it does it so well, so efficiently. I mean, an amateur like me can make videos and that seem professional, that seem like I have experience in the field. I mean, that's why I like LumaFusion, and I highly recommend that you get it right now. The link is in the description.